Hi, everyone. Someone had this suggestion of a burning question sheet, and I thought it was a great idea. So I've put together a CSA help sheet just to make it really easy to search for. I need help. I've got 5 different columns for you here. So if you have a question, you could say, hey, everybody, it's me. You put your name in there. Whoa, my computer's been wigging out. Can someone please help me with this question? So whatever your question is. And then here are some of the things that I've tried, and that'll cut down on people giving you suggestions if you're like, no, I already tried that. You could put here how you want to be contacted, whether by email or you could put your phone number in there, whatever works for you. And then that's all you need to do. Hopefully somebody sees that question and has a suggestion for you on how you might fix that. The reason why we want to put the suggestion here is so that if someone else has the same question, they can see a possible solution. So it's got the suggested response and then the name of the person that's making that suggestion. And so I'm just going to pretend that Katie asked me a question, right? So Katie's got a question. She put all this information here. And so I'm going to try and help her out. So here's the cool thing. Let's say I'm like, hi, Katie. Have you considered whatever I want you to consider, right? And then check this out. If you've got this clicked, and you click insert comment, you can notify her really easy, okay? Or really easily, pardon me. So I'm going to do a plus sign in here, and that will give me all my friends. I click Katie's name, and it says, do you want to assign this to Katie? I said, I do want to assign this to Katie because your plus mention will add people to this discussion and send an email. If I click assign, it means that she's going to be notified. I'm thrilled with that. I want her to be notified. I want her to know I've got a solution. Hi, hope this helps. And then I am going to click assign, so that way she can get notified via email. I'm going to cancel it right now, though, just so that it's not confusing for her. She's like, I don't need your help right now. The other thing I would suggest is bookmarking it. That way, even if you don't have a question, if you've got a few minutes and you're working on something, you can check it and see if you can offer some help. So you're going to bookmark it, click that little star. I'm actually going to shorten this just to the word help. Okay, and I don't know if it's short enough to show up here. Oh, it is, good. So I'll just click that every once in a while, make sure that everybody's questions are answered. And then if I put a suggestion in there, I can add a comment, that plus sign, and assign it to them. That way they get notified. All right, everybody, I hope that's useful. Have a good day. We're around if you need anything.